everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Bag Passionate. Welcome, bienvenue for this new video. First, if you haven't seen part 1, I advise you to go and see this part to understand everything, because today it's an unboxing video and in the first part I'll explain everything. I link it below. Yes, I got the parcel on time. You will see, I just filmed the unboxing because I have very few time. So I just filmed the unboxing and at the end, so now we will have a little discussion and I will show you exactly what can fit in this bag. Let's go. This is the first unboxing, but it's also my very first time ordering on Etsy. This package is a bag, and I have to say I am a bit concerned about its status because I never thought it will be shipped in a craft envelope. So this is the very first thing that made me a little bit concerned. But let's see, I will open it, and I found an artisan, and it was based in Poland. But I look at the shipping document, and in fact my package came from Kiev, Ukraine. It's not a problem for me, it's great, but it's just the very first thing. I ordered it from to an artisan in Poland, and finally it came from Ukraine. So let's go. Without further ado, I open it and let's see what I received. Okay, it's a classical bubbled craft envelope, and here is what I have ordered. And the very first thing is that it's quite heavy. I am quite surprised. I don't think it was so heavy. And I got a tote bag. Okay, so with the light and the plastic you cannot see. So let's open it. Sorry for the noise. Oh yes. Oh, this is. Oh my god, the touch, the feeling is insane. This is something I'm happy. Let's go further. Okay. Wow. The color is great. This is really the color I wanted. Oh my god. The smell is okay, guys. Okay, bring you like this. The smell is okay. So, as you can tell, it's a very, very classical leather tote. And surprisingly, I was on the hunt for something like this. Not that I don't have bags, but I wanted, you know, this kind of roots vintage vibe. And surprisingly, no designer made this. I'm talking on the French and European market. Oh, okay. First thing, there's a zip, and I didn't order the zip. Okay. Well, this is quite interesting. So this is an error. I don't ask for a zip. The inside is like, I will include, no worry, I will include better pics because the inside we have a zip pocket, 2 flap pockets. The size is correct. I will control it, but I do think the size is correct. I wanted something like that. Yeah, it's okay. It goes well because you can choose the size. The most important thing for me is that the leather is just high quality. I can tell it's really strong, so heavy, but it's really high quality. Oh, I've got a massive front pocket here. Yes, like this. Yeah, so for the moment, the only thing that puzzles me is this zip, because you have the possibility to either ask for one or not. And it's quite surprising because you had to add a little more to have this. And so yes, back in the present day, you have seen the unboxing, and I am really happy. The things which is the most insane for me, it's the leather. The leather is incredible. The color, as I said, is really the color I wanted. This is cognac. And the only thing, as you have seen, that make me a little bit anxious, but you will see why. They had me the zip on the bag, and I asked for no zip. And I was afraid it will be a disadvantage to have a zip, because I wanted to carry my work document. This is an example of what I'm carrying. As you can see, as I choose an S size, my documents are higher. But for me, it was not a problem. Since I asked for no zip, I was aware that my document will be a little higher than the bag. But as I asked for those handles, you see, it's really not a problem, even if I am wearing a coat. So, and finally, look, even if I got my document, the zip is in fact not a problem. You see, I just have this part, but I can put it inside, and seriously, I can have all my documents. You can see there's a bunch of space. So it's really not a problem. I am super satisfied. The capacity is just great. You can fit a bunch. So let's see what I have. I will show you. So I've got things like this. Okay, this is just an example, because sometimes I'm carrying 1, 2, 3, even a bigger thing with a ring, you know. Okay, I'm having this pouch, but I can tell you all my Longchamp pouches can fit inside. I've got my, I call them the perfect trio. I've got a Longchamp card holder, my compact wallet, but I tried, even my Continental wallet can fit in the bag. I've got the document of a car. I can take also my travel book, and I am super satisfied because it's not the same color. This is brown and this is cognac. Look at it, but I think it's the same vibe, and I quite like it because it's a travel book, but since you've got several notebooks inside, each of them got a special utility, so I'm using it for several things. It's really practical. Oh, it comes from Amazon, just for info. Yes, oh, I've got the light also. Okay, I've got a bunch of tissue because it is winter. Oh, yes, I can also fit my, my Longchamp Rosation Essential pouches, which I use for my pens because I'm carrying a lot of pens. And yes, that's all, guys. So, even if I got a zip that I did not order, it's okay. Seriously, it's okay. It's a nice bag. I know it's really something, it's not delicate, it's not sophisticated, but I have to say, I am super surprised by the quality of the leather first, but also of all the, the little definition. Of course, you do not have quoting, but look, everything is cut and sewed perfectly. This is really regular. Oh, something also which is funny. The leather is super thick, but you see, I explained you got a zip pocket and 2 flap pockets. And look what I have seen. I can, look, You see, I can take it away, not completely, it is still attached, but in fact, if they do not have a play seat, the bag will be more slouchy. And in fact, the construction of a bag is really well done because the length of the pouch, the pockets are really till the end of the bag. And in fact, it's like the skeleton of the bag because thanks to this, your bag holds its shape. And yes, I am surprised by the quality of the design. Have a look also. So I know the bag will have a patina, it will have scratches, but it's something that I wanted for so long because, as I explained you, no one make bags like this, just bag for work or just for the pleasure. I do not want something with branding and super expensive. So this one is really a nice alternative. I have to say, I am quite excited to add it to my collection. I know it's a complete different bag from what I have, but I am super happy. And as I said, I love leather and I am super, super happy to add this kind of leather in my collection. So guys, that was the unboxing, the first unboxing of 2024. We keep in touch because you know I have a bunch of things to tell you about Longchamp bags, etc. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, but you're a regular viewer, please consider subscribing. You have no idea how it is important for us YouTubers, because for you it's free, but for us it really matters. So please, if you're a returning viewer and you love this kind of content and you love me a little bit, please go and subscribe. Take care, we see us next time. Bye bye guys.